Okay, I just conked out again. This is, oh, wait. Oh, it's, Thursday morning. This morning is supposed to have a big blizzard. So, yay for that, for me, because I like blizzard, but also, really, really not yay. Really not. I was supposed to have my lupus test done this morning, and I've waited for a week on it, and I can't have it done now, because of fucking impending storm. My ride system is closed today because of the incoming snowstorm, and I have no way of getting there to get my test done, so I have to wait until fucking Monday, which means I'll be rolling everything around in my head over and over and over again. It just sucks, you know. I mean, it's like, I'm not, like, overly concerned about it, I guess. I didn't think I was, but I've just kind of been thinking about it, you know. Just, okay, what was this symptom, and when did this happen, and all of that, you know, sort of really going over everything, and just whatever. I guess I was looking forward to this morning. Yeah, whatever.